I think I just keep the Lunchable. Keep the sauce.
Really?
That's right. How many did it give you?
Oh, you definitely need to put that back in the mixer.
Mixer.
Why?
Sonic doesn't
Because
want
it's not, it's too fluffy. I mean, too watery.
I don't know.
Isn't it?
Alright.
Yeah, we need
What's
to put
this?
Let him go ahead.
one.
it. Fennel.
He's gonna attack.
I put that in.
Jack's just waiting
No, I
for
put
it.
that twice.
Do it, you pussy. He's going for
Well, I don't like it to be too slow, and I like my very.
Oh, you like it liquidy. I
No, I don't like it liquidy.
Oh.
There's like
I think Joe's done playing around now.
it. Yeah.
Not
Joe-
now.
yeah.
Oh!
Joe's
He
done.
doesn't do anything.
Joe's done playing around.
Look at him.
He just
Knock
tackled.
down.
Joe's done.
Get closer. Look at those two.
Joe's-
Dax is like, I'm good.
Oh,
Oh.
Joe with the takedown.
Joe's getting into it.
Joe's racking the
Oh.
points up. That's why. Joe's really getting into it.
Oh.
You should get closer, Sam.
Look at that.
This is a good fight.
It is.
Oh.
Usually there's a good one once a day and then one day.
Whatever. It's my TV show.
This is real.
Yeah, this
They're already
is-
YouTube
All I
stars.
taste is
Every time they fight, I post it on YouTube.
Sam, you're gonna start getting a fan club and then it's just gonna blow up.
Like I can taste the tequila kind of.
Tell me
It's
it's
just
gonna be
not
on
mixed.
another show.
That's just the
Dax is like, no. Did you see Dax? He
They
totally
drove
left.
on alcohol.
Oh, he's coming for the back.
He always comes for that
Joe,
back.
he's playing dirty.
He always is the back.
He's playing dirty,
Joe,
Joe.
just walk away, Joe. He's more mature.
Yeah,
Look at him. He's like winner.
Yeah, he's like, let me out, let me out, let me out.
No, look at him. He's like, I won.
Yeah, yeah.